Louise, what do you think of Zach's performance then?
Zach, by far my favourite second week performance so far. I thought that sat perfectly in your voice. Absolute perfect song choice for you. The added harmonies that you did, the a cappella section at the end, it just showed off your control. The growling and the gravelly voice, like, honestly, I was absolutely living for it. Like I say, I can't put any fault in that. It was honestly absolute perfection for you. Well done.
Kelly?
No, I loved that. I think I'd go as far to say that's my favourite of yours ever that you've ever done. Mm-hmm. I like how you kind of step back from the obvious rock choices and did something a little bit more Indian, a little bit more stripped back. And it allowed just this raw vocal. It allowed this raw vocal to come through. You just didn't falter. You know, when you were going in for the really gruff high notes, you were just on point completely throughout the whole thing. I thought the harmonies were absolutely beautiful, and I beg you to get that on Spotify so I can have it on my playlist, please, because I just need that song in my life, basically.
Yeah, Zach, I mean, I was watching there, and all I can say really after that really is that you really handled that like a true professional. And from that performance, it really showed me as an artist yourself, just how much you've learnt about yourself and your voice over time. And now you've really got to a place like from that where adding your own harmonies and they're on point and everything like that, like a true professional. And it's so amazing to watch, because I don't know if you've recorded this yet, but you've definitely got to record it. That was just, for me, it was definitely the best performance I've seen so far tonight. But not only that, whatever you've just done in there, that's exactly where you need to be thinking from here on out, because everything was on point, from song to vocal to what you was doing with your voice. The harmonies, everything about that was perfection. Literally perfection. Well done, buddy.